or you yourself is wondering what's going on with this platform. Hi, it's JJ Gat. Welcome back to my channel. So I did plan to get on the YouTube today, but I did want to quickly hop on to discuss the scuttlebutt, or the newest different topic of discussion among Pinterest marketers. And when I say Pinterest marketers, I mean people who are using Pinterest for business. So whether you are actually an e-commerce shop, a vlogger, blogger, YouTuber, someone who has information that you're selling, or if you're selling products or services, or if you are Pinterest or a digital strategist or social media manager and your client is wondering what's going on, or you yourself is wondering what's going on with this platform. So when you join this, the J Squad, and welcome back, by the way, if you are a member of the J Squad. If you're not, I invite you to join. You know that what I like to do, sort of like a Pinterest investigator. So what I try to do is investigate all the various different trends and the different changes in the platform. And as I discover them, what's going on, I share them with you. So something I said in the video I did last summer, or actually recently, about how Pinterest is changing its business model based on something it announced last April about being more of a digital shopping mall versus sort of just a virtual search platform, a visual sort of pin board for people, as that it is providing more shopping surfaces, and that now when you type a search, you're not necessarily going to get the guided keyword search bubbles that traditionally have been appeared, and which Pinterest marketers and people who use Pinterest for business have used to help us know what's trending, to help us know what to pin, to help us know what content to create if you're a content creator. Now, if the search is even tangentially related or vaguely related to commerce, you're going to get the Explore tab, and you're going to get the Shop tab, and you're going to get more opportunities to shop, because again, it's trying to shift this business model, as I said before, to be more of a shopping platform. And so it's still great for content creators. It's still great for driving traffic. It drives traffic for me. So I don't want you to get discouraged, but I do want you to be aware of this change and move to suit. So essentially, there are different ways that you can get around it. And even if it says shop and explore, if you keep going down after you get your search results, you'll see there are different sections throughout the search results where they give you the bubbles. They'll give you more defined long tail keywords, if you will, and you'll see it down below. So it's not gone altogether. So that's the good news. The second thing to note about that if you do have content, if you do have a product that means it's really pushing your products. And if you have content, that even if you have content, but if there's something related that you're selling, for example, let's say you're a photographer and you sell services, but you also sell backdrops. So you may do a blog post about the best sceneries for having a wedding photo, an outdoor wedding photo shots or poses. So that might be a blog post so you can get people back to your wedding photographer blog. That's fine. That's going to appear on the Explore tab. What's going to appear on the Shop tab is if you're also selling backdrops, if you are also selling props, if you have an Etsy shop where you're selling wedding things, that's going to appear on the Shop tab. So that's great news for you if you are even a service provider, but then have some sort of other commerce element to what you're selling. The service that you have or your website. So that's the good news. Is I'm not taking it as bad, but then also just work with the platform as it changes until it figures itself out. So anyway, so that's all I have for you today. I hope that was helpful. If you like this video, or you like this channel, or you like the sort of information I'm sharing in this channel, I'm trying to do more videos. This will be like my second one for the week, because I'm doing them back to back to back. I invite you to subscribe to this channel and hit that little notification bell, because that means YouTube is going to let you know in your email and your various different, whenever you have the app open, that I have uploaded a new video. And if you do, I would love for you to come check it out. I'm going to try to do shorter videos, not longer videos. Check it out. If you like it, hit that like button. If you have a comment or question or concern, that you hit that, you comment and you share it. Share with other people who are in this space and are working and looking for some ideas. Because you know that I got you. Yeah, I got you. Anyway, that's it. That's all I have for you for today. This is JJ Gat. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm trying to keep this under 5 minutes. I'll see you in my next video. Cue my outro song. Da-da, ba-da, boom.